Hey, this is just a quick demo of our new Turbot integration, which I think is really cool. You're going to go to the Datasheet view in Cloud Pegboard. And here you can see all the information you'd ever want to know about for a given service, as usual, on all the different data types and attributes. So this is for S3. I can click in my favorites here, get to Lambda and DynamoDB, and see all this information in one shot. So now what we've added, go back to S3 here, is a Turbot tab. So if I click Turbot, I get all the information that I'm pulling in from Turbot for my particular set of accounts for the same service, S3. So here I've clicked on S3, there's the data sheet, but if I go to Turbot, now I see all the Turbot information, so I can see the list of all my resources, all my, in this case, buckets for S3, and also a quick summary of the control state. Everything's all okay. And if I wanted to jump into the Turbot UI, I could do that. And this drives me directly to the Turbot UI for S3. So coming back here, I can also just try a different service. So if I click on Lambda, now I'm getting resource types of functions and see a whole list of functions here. DynamoDB, showing me, and these are just test accounts, so I only have a few things here, but looking good. And again, you can always just quickly flick back to the data sheet for the particular service. And maybe I'll pick Route 53, API Gateway. You can see here we have two different resource types within API Gateway. So an API and a stage, and then the control summary for each of those groupings. And finally, IAM is pretty interesting because there's a whole lot of subtypes under IAM. And you can see here, some of these are actually in alarm, and so if I saw some of that, I might go and click through into Turbot console for IAM, and now I can start looking through and drilling down deeper. And come back to the datasheet view, and that's that. I can switch my list, which changes my preferences, so maybe I'll pick this one here, find new sessions. And so here I have an integration with Cloudcraft, so you can actually see the Cloudcraft diagram that's dynamically pulled in, but also I can now get the summary for Turbot as well. So get my Turbot resources, a diagram, and then for the particular resource that I'm looking at, I can look at this data sheet. That's it. Thanks for watching.